Tell me, what is water cycle?
Ma'am, when sun falls on water, the water vapors occur, and then ma'am, water vapor occur in much amount. Then they form the form of cloud, and when the cloud was heavy, then they occurred rain, and then water come back to its place, and then sun gave
Okay, anyone?
light
Okay.
to.
Yes, Yogendra. Okay, anyone else? Water cycle? What is water cycle? Just in a sentence. You don't have to describe. What is water cycle? Water cycle is the cycle through which water changes through its different stages, है ना? Through its different states. What are the three states of water mainly? Liquid state, that is water. Then it is the vapor state, that is the water vapor. And the last one is the solid state, that may be
And then liquid.
ice. Yes. So what happened during that hot summer days, or what will happen that the sun rays falls and the earth is get heated up quickly. Okay, so what will happen as a result of the sun seed, the water bodies from the surface of the water bodies and through the parts of the plant, the leaves, small pores, that is stomata, through transpiration and through evaporation, water will get evaporated. Yes or no? So
Yes,
what will
ma'am.
so
Yes,
water when get
ma'am.
evaporated, what is it? It is lighter, it becomes lighter as water gets converted to its next state, that is the vapor state. It expands, and as because it expands, it become lighter, so it starts to move up, and as a result, as you have read in HST, as the altitude increases, the temperature
They form
decreases.
clouds.
Do you remember that as altitude increases, the temperature decreases?
Yes, ma'am.
That's this relationship, so what will happen
Yes, ma'am.
as this water vapor, lighter water vapor, when it is rising up, a time comes when what happens, this water vapor get condensed into water droplets.
Clouds.
They get converted into water droplets, and more droplets, they will join together to form, what
Cloud.
did they form? They form clouds.
Cloud.
So in the clouds here, if more and more, see that is a normal cloud, that is a white cloud you can see. But during the rainy season, what happens? More and more water vapor gets up, and more water droplets
And
gets
then
accumulate. Just
droplet.
listen to me first. Listen to me again first. So more and more water vapor get condensed, and more water droplets collect over here, and there is a turbulence. Okay, this water droplets just start to rub against each other. They sometimes form small droplets of ice. So these ice flakes or the drops of ice, they starts to rub against each other. Okay, as a result of rubbing, what will happen? We have read just now, charged bodies
Charges
will,
will be
Electricity.
formed.
yes, some of that water droplets or the ice, they will get positively charged. That is, they will lose electron on the surface, and losing electrons means they will become a little bit lighter. Yes or no? कुछ तो छोड़ रहा है, तो
Yes,
the
ma'am.
mass will be
Yes,
less.
ma'am.
So the on the upper part of the cloud, positively charged particles of water will be collected, and the other part, the water droplets which is acquired negatively charged, they will start to accumulate at the base of the cloud. Okay, clear? And
Yes, ma'am.
in response to this negative charge will just they will just keep away the negative charge from the surface of the earth. Our earth is a huge accumulator of charges. So what will happen if the cloud has accumulated more charges, negative charges, the surface of our earth, as because this negatively charged, if the particles on the surface of the earth is neutral, so what will happen? This negatively charged will move away the negatively charged particles on the earth's below, and the surface of the earth will acquire positive charge. Okay, but these charges are not flowing. These charges are not flowing because this is negative charge, and on the surface it has become positively charged, but still the charges are not flowing. Why? In normal condition, why it's not flowing? Why it's not flowing between cloud and the earth surface? क्या है? What
Ma'am,
is there?
because air is poor conductor of electricity.
Yes. So in normal case, the air becomes a poor conductor of electricity. Okay, but during the heavy rains or thunderstorm, air contains huge amount of moisture, and as a result, you know water is a good conductor of electricity. So what will happen? The air having high humidity starts to conduct electricity. So what is happening? The movement of the charges occur, the interaction of the opposite charge, that is the negative charge over here and the positive charge over here will start to attract each other. So what will happen? The electrons will start to flow downwards to neutralize these positive charges, and this forms the sound of lightning, and you can see that lightning also occurring. So okay, is it clear? So this is the main cause of lightning, that how lightning occurs. Again, any doubt? Well, I should repeat it once.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What happens?
Yes.
I can.
You know that it's a part of, just wait.